Hi everyone, welcome again to Walter's Wildlife Discussions, where we discuss about flora, fauna, biodiversity, and climate change. And today we want to discuss about the ostriches in Kenya. We have two species of ostriches in Kenya. We have the Somali ostrich, we have the MASAI ostrich. Specifically, we want to discuss the MASAI ostrich. Male MASAI ostriches are black with some whitish parts, and the females are brown-gray. Adult ostrich weighs 137 kilograms. They lay 8 to 10 eggs, and a new egg weighs 1.2 to 2 kilograms. Just one egg is omelette for 24 people. Did you know that an ostrich eye is bigger than the whole brain? Actually, one side of the eye is bigger than the whole brain. So they don't think wisely. Yes. If you look at the toe, they have only two toes like the dinos, and the bigger toe has a bigger nail. So with the absence of the kneecap, ostriches are able to kick forward, and they now use the nail on the toes for protection. Look at the toes. Ostriches females lay eggs in one point, or like they have a communal nest where all the female will have to lay eggs. But then when approach brooding season, the female will have to fight over the dominant hen, who will now lie on the eggs during daytime. Then at nighttime, the male will lie on the eggs, because most of the predators are active at nighttime. So the darkness at night and the male feathers, they camouflage. The incubation period is 30 to 40 days. Don't forget to follow us on our social platforms to learn more on our Instagram, Facebook page, TikTok, Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, all at Walter's Wildlife Discussion. Thank you.